Good day, devs. Welcome to my favorite channel, Ivy Mesa. Today I'll be doing another live stream where I'll be showing you how to make a simple HTML and CSS project using the simple e-commerce card using HTML and CSS. Yes, you heard me right. Today I'll be teaching you that. So guys, if everyone is online, you can just please let me notify that we are quite in numbers so that the stream can go okay. So here I have got the boilerplate that I have already built. So I can tell you that inside the index.html file online 7, which I've highlighted, I've connected to my to my style CSS file. Then online 8, I I've pasted a link to Font Awesome. Yes, you can just type Google, type Font Awesome CDN. Then you get this link that we have pasted. So, and then this is some boiler text that I have here, that I've got here, which we shall be using to style our file. So yes, I can see that I'm online. So now, without wasting your time, let's get on to the coding. First of all, I'm going to create a div which shall wrap up everything. I'll call it div card. Then by looking at our design, this is the proposed design that we're going to be building. Yes, this is the design that we're going to be building. So since this is my design, I can see that there's an image and there's some body text in between. So now I'm going to go inside my file and okay. So I'm going to create a div which I shall call card image. Then this is where we are going to paste our image. So let me use image text source. Our source is going to be this file, this svg file. So I need to give it, it's called razor svg. Then you can have some text that will appear in case the image fails to load. So let me type razor razor mouse image, in case the image fails to load. Then after doing that, let's go inside and let's create the body for the text, which I shall call div dot cut body. Then let's start by using a sub div inside, which I shall call evaluation. Then I now need to have some Font Awesome. I'm going to use Font Awesome, so it's going to be Font Awesome. Let's call it solid. Then, so since I'm using it as a star, I want it to be a star. So let me save this changes and let's go live and view our progress that we have made. Okay, so this is the progress that we have made. You can see that there's a Font Awesome as well as the star is also there. So now I'm going to go inside our file. Let's multiply it by 5. Three times, 4 times, 5 times. So I'm going to add some h3 tags, which paste the text. Need this for some text. Then after styling this one, let me have some labels. Get the text for the label is going to be this one. Cut and paste it there. Then after styling the label, I'm going to go for the unordered list. Then listings, the content. Estate the content, then you bold. So I'm going to get it to a markup 4 times. Just copy it and duplicate 2, 3, 4. Then let's the content that we wanna place. Okay, we are just pasting the content to where it should go. For the text. So let me look at the progress that we have made. Inside our browser, there you can see these things. So now after assigning this one, I've got this pattern and this text, so it needs to be styled. Outside the unordered listings, let's create another new div, which we shall call price. Then let's have a label. And for the label, I'm going to have text pattern. Let's save it. Okay. I need a shopping cart. I need it to be a shopping cart, so I'm going to have it as a solid like this one. Then let's get it coding for this cart. So I've done this one. Let me look at the progress that we have made inside our browser. You can see we've got the shopping cart. So now is the time to style this cart to make it go right at the center of the page. So to do that, I'm going to have to I'm going to go inside my I'm going to go inside the style CSS file. So let's go inside the style CSS file. It is the style CSS file. I'm going to start off by styling everything. Let's set the margin to 0. Let's set also the padding 0. Then let's account for the let's use both the box sizing. This will tell the element, tell the browser how to calculate the elements padding and width. So I'm going to use box sizing for the box. Let's set the text decoration to none. Okay, to make make everything look a bit visible, let me choose this, the inside browser. Yeah, I hope everything you can look at this. Okay, this was before. If I cut it, you can see this was the state of our design before. Then after setting these values, you can see it is altered. Now let's go on and style the body. I want to center everything inside the center of the page. So to do that, we're going to style the body. We're going to set play. This is how you center everything to the center. Play, flex, align items, center. Then justify content. Enter. Then you can see how we have made progress. Let's set the height to 100%. Or they can see we have centered the solution. Now I'm going to style the cards. This the card that wrapped up everything. Card that wraps our solution. Oh, there are two divs. Which div is this div? Take a look there. There. So this div way out of the picture. Let's style the cards. So for the card, I'm going to set the border 1 pixel, solid color. I want the gray color. I'm going to use RGB color 74. 74. 74. This is the gray color. Now let's come inside and let's have a padding of top and bottom 30 pixels. Yes. Then sideways, left and right 40 pixels. Okay. Then let's have a border radius on the corners of 5 pixels. Yeah, you can see that the border's radius now. Okay. Then let's have a margin of top and bottom 20 pixels. Then left and right, let's set it to 25 pixels. You can see our solution is like more like going right at the center. Then after that one, I'm going to style the image. I want to style the image, so I'm going to go inside class name for the image. So let's say card, class name for the card image and the image text. So for the image text, I'm going to set it the width to 200 pixels. Let me move like this, that it looks beautiful and organized. Then let's have a height of 200 pixels. Okay, let's say object let's save it inside the yes, covering everything. Now I'm going to style the content that you're looking at. Content. So inside my index file, I can see that the size inside this class name card body. So I'm going to style it. It's card body padding right to the top, away from the top of 10 pixels. Yeah, if you want to look at on a desktop view, there you can see the progress that we have made. This is the desktop view. You can see that the design is looking up to our expectations. So yeah, so now if I've done this one, means I'm now going to style the evaluation. So to do that, I'm going to say card body, and that's it. Evaluation. I want to target the font awesome, these ones. Just copy the awesome. Okay. So for the font awesome, I'm going to set the color. Let's save a font size of pixels. Also, let's save a color. I want the color to be like orange red. You can see the color has changed.